Hey there, welcome back, buddy. We know that using permission sets, we can widen up the access to the users. But do you know there is also a concept known as muting permission set, using which we can restrict access to the users. So that is what we are going to see in this video by taking up an example. Now the use case over here is that we are having two permission set groups. One is professor and mentor, and the other is professor and counselor. In both the permission set groups, we are having the same set of permission sets, which is ABC professor and case object access. Let me just show it over here as well. Yeah, here you can see we are having the same set of permission set in both the permission set groups. And here in this particular permission set, I gave access to the case object. Let me just show you that. And here you can see I gave read, create, edit, and delete access to this particular permission set for the case object. And I have also assigned these permission set groups to the individual users. Let me just show you the assignment as well for you to clearly understand. So professor and mentor permission set group was assigned to one specific user known as professor. And this permission set group, which is professor and counselor, was assigned to a user known as counselor. Here, upon clicking on manage assignment, you can see it was assigned to the counselor user. And also you can see in the Edge browser, I have logged in as counselor and the user is having access to the case, and the user can also create the case as well. And in the second browser, which is Brave browser, I have logged in as professor, and here you can see this user can also see the cases, and also the user can able to create the case. Let's say the requirement is that professor who are acting as mentor should only have read access to the case, whereas the professors who are acting as counselor should also have create access on the case. Now, usually what we will be thinking is that we can create a separate permission set, let's say case read only access, and give only the read permission to the case object, and replace this specific permission set, which is case object access, with the newly created permission set. But this approach of duplicating the permission sets, where very less number of permissions are getting varied, is not recommended, because this makes the management of permission sets very difficult. And that is where the concept of muting permission set helps us here. So basically we can create the muting permission set only in the permission set group and not by clicking on the permission sets and all. So here in the permission set group, we are seeing this option, right? Muting permission set in group. Click on it. And over here, you can create your muting permission set. Let me just click on new to create one. And I'm leaving the name as is, and I'm clicking on save. And here you can see the new button got disabled, which means that for a specific permission set group, we can create only one muting permission set. Now, as we have to mute the create access for the mentor, let me just click on this muting permission set. So the interface will be more or less similar to the permission set itself. Now I am going to search for the cases. And here you can see the list of permissions which are enabled for this specific permission set group. Now we are going to mute the create access, and the additional column which you are seeing is that muted, and I'm going to mute the create access. Let me click on save. As this particular permission set group is already assigned to a user known as professor, let's see how the permissions are getting varied. And here in the Brave browser, I have logged in as professor. As I already shown you, this user is having create access to the case object. Now let me just hard refresh once. And yes, as we have muted the create access using the muting permission set, now the user is not having access to create any case records. But one thing to notice here is that this specific muting permission set can only mute the permissions which are given under this specific permission set group. Let's say I created another permission set which is not there in this permission set group. Let me just show you that. So this permission set is not in this permission set group. Now I gave full access to the cases to this permission set. I'm going to assign this specific permission set to the professor user. And yes, now let's see whether the professor user is having create access to case or not. Let me just hard refresh. And yes, now you can see that this user gained create access for the case object, which concludes that muting permission sets can only mute the permissions which are granted using the permission set group which they are in. And now I hope that you would have got an understanding what muting permission sets are. And yes, that's it for this video. See you next video. Thank you. Bye bye.